Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Best of Mother's Bite. Treat yourself. Today I am going to show you how to prepare rich chocolate brownie without oven and baking tray. This fudgy chocolate brownie recipe is easy to prepare and made from Toblerone chocolate without any dark chocolate. You can see here how chocolatey and baked perfectly. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Here I have taken 200 grams of Toblerone chocolate instead of using any dark chocolate or cooking chocolate. Break the chocolate into small pieces. It will help the melting process little easy. You can also use any chocolate of your choice. It was my first attempt using milk chocolate for brownie and it was just awesome. First, I am going to melt the chocolate in butter. For that, take a vessel and boil water in it. At the boiling stage, keep a bowl or a saucepan for the double boiler method. Add chocolate into it along with butter. We are going to melt it till we get runny chocolate mixture. You can also microwave it, but you have to be careful by checking in between. Mix the chocolate with the help of a spoon. Notice that chocolate has melted completely and gets saucy texture. Keep it aside till it gets cool, as we don't want hot chocolate sauce for brownie preparation. Before starting process, preheat a vessel to bake the cake. Here I have taken a big vessel and kept a stand into it. Close the vessel with the help of a lid and preheat it for 10 minutes. Most important thing to bake a cake or anything is to grease the baking tin from all the sides. Add in the flour and tap it to stick it from all sides. Now proceed for the next process. First take a cup of sugar in a bowl. Here I am using only 1 cup because I have taken already sweetened milk chocolate. If you are using dark chocolate, you must add 1½ cup. Add an egg one after the other into the sugar bowl and beat it for 30 seconds with the help of hand blender. Now I am going to add second egg and will start beating again. Here goes in our third egg and continue the same process for 2 more minutes on high speed. Now it's time to add half a teaspoon of salt into it. Mix it once and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence as a flavoring ingredient. Now I am going to add our melted chocolate sauce into the batter. Now mix them both with the help of a spatula. Now it's time to add flour and cocoa powder. Always remember to sieve the flour before adding it into the batter. Mix the flour gently from all the sides in a cut and fold method. Now our batter is ready without any lumps, and also it becomes thick. Now it's time to add roasted walnuts. You can also add nuts of your choice. Place it into the preheated vessel and bake it for 40 minutes or until you get a cleared toothpick when you check it. Once it is perfectly baked, separate it from its sides. Flip it on a plate and take it out and cut into rectangular or square pieces. Our fudgy chocolate brownie is ready. You can enjoy it as itself or you can also have it with vanilla ice cream.